So there's Rudy waiting for more food. I don't know if you could see him. This is where I feed them. There's Magic. He's doing nicely. You can't see him either. It's morning. That's my outside. I'm gonna lay out and get some sun. So this is what I did over here. I don't know if you can see. We got this lounge chair a while back. We got a pillow cover. It's like a purpley eggplant. This mirror I had, and what I did was, well, my husband put it on for me, got this inexpensive diamond wrap adhesive, and it sticks pretty well, especially because it gets humid here. I live in the south, and I redid this lamp, and I did a DIY lamp refresh video to show you. It's easy. And I'm going to do another lamp that I have. I have some ideas. So this I bought from Pier 1 years ago. Oh, my battery's dying. And I just added these little danglies. But look at that. It changed the space. It adds more light. And I also have a mirror on top of a pedestal. So these are little ideas if you don't have a lot of space and you want to make it look bigger and brighter and darken an area, and brighten a dark area. So this is morning time here. The sun usually beams in through the kitchen window, and I got my little baubles. And that's Rudy. So that's my yard. Back here is what I call the mud room. It used to be the mud room, I guess. I put tape because sometimes we live in the woods and bugs get in, and so this is my china cabinet. And my sister gave me these cardinals around Christmas, and yeah, they have gold and I like silver, but they look good with the red, and I'm not going to change it. And it doesn't hurt to have a splash of color sometimes, even though I have the glam look and it's monochromatic colors. I really don't want any bright colors, but a little red. But really my accent color is the purpley eggplant, like on my pillow. So this is the purpley eggplant. I don't even know if you're seeing it. It's kind of dark in here. But I live in the woods. So I have a giant tree out front, giant trees everywhere. And that's why I get constant sinus infections. It's probably better if I lived on the beach. Salem's sleeping. Magic's in the windowsill. So I have to plug this in. So I'll just give you a quick look outside. The lawn and leaves have to be done. I moved the bird bath over here and my swing because it gets too messy back there. And what happens is the raccoons were knocking down the top of the bird bath, and it's cement. And then my swing was getting all grossed out by the tree. It doesn't get as bad in the front. So that's it. I'm gonna kind of go. So I don't know if you can see my living room. It's not that bright right now. We have a beach theme on the TV right now. All the balls for the cats go over here so that they can freely and easily take it, even though they have their own broom, which we did the floor in here. We continued, I'll put the light on. It used to be this ugly carpeting that I got in my craft room that we got to get rid of. No, Rudy. So what we did was, this is the cat's room. It's all about the cats. My sister gave me that, and I painted the frame silver. They got 2 cat trees. They got cat beds galore, toys galore. They even have a toy chest over there. More toys, more toys. I give them an extra water bowl. And then this is where I have Butterball's sock and ashes and all the collectible cats. They're not worth anything. They're just little trinkets that cats people had and they gave me as presents. Cat pillows, cat tents, litter box. So, yeah, so we continued the floor. We have one more room and we need a new ceiling fan because this one is horrible. I can't turn it on because it wobbles like crazy. But they like it. The window's open for them. So here we go. This is nighttime. I have our fireplace on. It has no heat. We didn't want it. We live in the South and we got our candles all on. So here they are. We have lanterns. We put fairy lights in. My Moroccan lanterns and Moroccan mirror. And as you can see, I have a lot of candles. I have faux candles and real candles. My candelabra with actually those are faux tea light candles, and they light up with remote. And mm, this is a nice display that has lights in it. And so this is our living room, and this is the glitter candle my sister gave me. I have it on one of my videos. Some of you might have seen it. And that's looking into our bedroom right now from the living room, and see we have can. Okay, so there might be noise in the background. My husband has a leaf blower going, but this is my bedroom. We had to put the light on so you can see. That's my side of the bed. We have like a candelabra with remote control candles. Those are all faux candles. And I have lights there. There's a little gift box with little faux crystals that my sister gave me that lights up. And I have so many other things that light up. So we're going back into our living room. This is the kitchen. I have this that lights up. And at the very end, that's my china cabinet. And this is the kitchen looking into the living room, all the lighting that we have. Okay, so again, this is our living room. This is my little crystal bowl, and then that's the stargazer, see? I did a review for that stargazer. And so now there's that light. I don't think I light up my thing, but here is, aha, there it is. It's like a little chandelier. It has like purple beads. So this is the birds I showed you, the cardinals in the day, they light up. And then my sister gave me these glass angels and they light up. Well, they don't light up. I added some fairy lights. And she gave me cupcakes that light up. And so that's that. Now we're getting out of the kitchen, going back. There's my dining kitchen. There's the living room. And yeah, we like it. It's the glam look. We try to keep it cozy and comfortable. So I just wanted to show you what everything looks like at night. Now I don't light all these candles every day, but on the weekend I do. So I really love the glam look, as you can see. Even my shoes are glam. See? My sister bought them for me. Even my toenails, I have glitter now, silver glitter, which I'd show you, but I have to do them. Some of it's off, and I have to find the time to sit there and do my nails. So, yeah. People come over and they're very relaxed when they come here. They don't actually even want to leave. I've had some people come over and they're so comfortable, they tell me they don't want to leave. They've never seen this color. I had one guy come in to clean our air vents and he was like, "Oh wow, I love your ceiling." And when he touched it, he thought it was going to be tin. And then he said he's never seen this paint color anywhere because it's called Mission Control. It's got a purple undertone, but not too purple, so it's a grayish, it's like a futuristic. So I use that throughout my kitchen and my living room and hallway. And accents are called Power Gray. like the trim moldings and around doors, and they're all from Behr Marquee collection, the one coat where you don't have to do two coats, and it's satin finish, and that's what I used. So the glam look at these, I love their remote control, and they move and it looks real. And then the peel and stick. I got the black marble peel and stick. You can get it from Amazon, but I got that at Walmart for like $9. It might be $11, but I did my top of the table with that. I did the dresser and my nightstand. Hold on. It's hard because it's not bright in here yet. Like I said, I live in the woods, lots of trees. I'm gonna go get some sun. I wish my husband would come home because I have limited my sister doesn't have that many trees. So her house gets such bright sun. It's like I always make a joke that you're going to light up in flames when you go to her house. It's 20 times hotter in the summertime. It's a beautiful, cool day. So I'm going to put my nightlight on my flashlight, so you can see the iridescent colors we painted over there. All right, isn't that cool? So when the light catches it, we wanted the glam look. So there is Salem sleeping. This is what we did to my dresser. It was an old junky dresser, and I think I put peel and stick, painted it black, got new hardware. It's a little scratched up now because of my cats, so I'm going to do touch up. This is my vanity. So I have some clothes on there, but did the same thing, painted it black. I kept the hardware though, because looks like my sister gave me this vanity. It came with a matching mirror, but I already have something. And then I have my black roses. I already have this cabinet that was left here, and I painted it black. And I blinged up the frames, and I had these used to be gold, and I painted it, and I add Mod Podge with glitter and put some lights in it. And so, see, we took the doors off because we both hate bifold doors and they were junky. So we got these really nice heavy curtains. And there's the glam look. It's simple. And I got the curtains. And of course, my fluffy rug. So, it doesn't have to be a fortune. And then the hallway. The time at the sun, because all the trees. If you look, the trees kind of take over the yard. So the sun's here right now, and I can position my chair. Otherwise, I have to go to my sister's. She's working right now, but her husband's home. Hey, B, get out of here. No, get out. I don't like that. Hey, so it's Rudy Tooty. Say hi, Rudy. He's getting old. Look how skinny he is. He's about 16, 17, but he's still hanging in there. Right, Rudy? This floor I would love to be marble, but this is the ceramic tile that came when we bought the house. They must have redid this because it was fairly new. So, it's a neutral color. We kind of left it. So if you want to do the glam look, you just got to look for different shades of gray, light, dark, medium, silver, things with bling and crystal and sequins, and you could repurpose your old stuff. Now this cool star mirror I got at Hobby Lobby. And you can have a few pops of color like I did. These are really nice. I got them on Amazon. They're thick. They're room darkening. So basically, I made that. We bought that. So there was a few things I bought and a few things I already had that I just repurposed. I painted a lot of things because I can't afford to go buy all new home decor. So what I did was I painted this mirror. It was gold, and I dry brushed silver on it. You know, redid that lamp like I showed you. Touched silver. I dry brushed silver on this. It was gold. You know, so you gotta use your imagination. And it's very soothing and relaxing and pops of bling and fluffy, fluffy little rugs like that. I got my long fireplace. So, I mean, it's not that hard. I did it, and I still have stuff in totes that I have to repurpose. I painted all my frames silver or black. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye, and thank you for watching.